Welcome. In today's quick update, I'll show you exactly how to set Telegram Stories notifications to long vibration so you never miss important updates, even when your phone is on silent. If you've noticed that Telegram Stories alerts are easy to miss, switching to a longer vibration pattern can make a big difference. The process is simple, and I'll guide you step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. On Android, this is usually the three horizontal lines in the top corner. While on iPhone, you may see your profile icon instead. Tap on it to continue. Next, go to Settings. This is where all your Telegram customization options are located. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Telegram alerts you for messages, calls, and stories. Now, scroll until you find Stories and tap on it. This area specifically manages how you receive notifications for Telegram Stories updates. After that, tap on More Options to access additional notification settings. Then select Vibrate. Here, you'll see different vibration patterns you can choose from. Finally, choose Long. This setting ensures your phone vibrates for a longer duration whenever you receive a Stories notification, making it much harder to miss. That's it. With just a few taps, you've successfully changed your Telegram Stories vibration to long. This is especially useful if you rely on vibration alerts throughout the day or keep your phone on silent. If you found this helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more Telegram tips and updates that keep you ahead with the latest features.